Hey there, creators! As a lover of all things graphics, I was looking for inspiration today on YouTube and was blown away by some of the realistic 3D graphics I found. So in this video, I wanted to show you 7 realistic 3D graphics that blew my mind. Okay, number 7, next generation digital humans. This is crazy.
Hello, I'm Siren, and I'm a digital human. I was created by an international team of artists and engineers who wanted to challenge our ideas of what a synthetic human could be. I've got state-of-the-art real-time graphics and an unprecedented level of detail in my eyes, skin, and hair. Cool, right? But I'm more than just a collection of fancy pixels. I'm actually being driven by a real human actress and her dynamic motion capture through Unreal Engine. So what are you waiting for? Come meet me at the Vicon booth and see for yourself.
I mean, that was awesome. Okay, number 6, Blender. Blender is a 3D tool you can use yourself. I mean, that was totally cool, and it's free software. Okay, watch this trailer.
Adaptation. The ability to learn from past experience. The use of knowledge to alter their environment. These virtues defined our creators and drove them to the brink of destruction. But we cannot exist without them. We must save her. What of our creators exists within us? Humanity has always had the potential to recognize its flaws and choose a better way. Can we save humanity? Was bringing her here the right choice?
Well, look at that. I didn't think you had it in you. Tell me more about this place. You spent nearly 90 years there.
What? No. No, not there. The forest is just the lobby. That's where the entrance is. I've been thinking, how do I remember all this? When did I make these memories? You need a brain to make memories.
Your brain is now remembering things that never happened to you. Or to it. An enormous amount of neuron connections were formed since you came back. Decades worth of memory. And there's one more thing you need to do. Karen? Hey? Karen?
Yeah, sorry.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm just tired.
Tell me. Did you see any of the others?
Yes. I damn near fainted. Even though he had told me about them.
You think that was one of them?
I know.
You're the only one who woke up, Karen. One out of tens of thousands. Why?
I mean, that was crazy awesome. Those are better trailers than some movies that are coming out now. Okay, so number 3, you can make your own 3D graphics on Facebook super easily with the Web Graphics Creator. Here, watch this. Let me show you how to do it. Hey everybody, hey, I just discovered a really cool trick in Facebook. So Facebook has this new feature that if you create an image and then you create a depth map behind the image and you upload both of these at the same time, your image turns 3D when people are scrolling and looking at the image on Facebook. So here's what I mean. So you create your graphic so that it's real. Then you create a depth map, and the closer to your camera, the closer to you is white, the further away is going to be black and shades of gray. So let me show you in the Web Graphics Creator what I mean. I'm going to run down here really quick. This is the Web Graphics Creator, an online tool to create graphics for your social media and logos and e-covers and everything like that. So you go to webgraphicscreator.com, okay? And I'm going to search, I'm going to use the scenery creator. Okay, and when it loads up, you're going to find an image that looks cool. Now I'm doing this because the scenery creator is created in layers. Okay, so the white is going to be pretty much non-movable. Everything else I create is going to be 3D. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to make the tree in the foreground. So what I want to do is, first I want to save this entire image as, I'm going to download this image, and we're going to call it Creative 3D. Okay, hit download. And then I'm going to create my depth map. So what I mean by that is I'm going to go to image color. I'm going to colorize the tree. Click on color. And I want to use this opacity slider, make sure it's all the way turned up. And I'm going to make the tree as white as I can. Okay, and then the next layer back is this green hill. So I'm going to colorize this one and make sure the opacity is all the way up. And this is going to be a little bit darker than the tree. So I'm going to go backwards in depth. Okay, then I'm going to colorize the text so that it's even a little bit darker. And then this is the next layer. I'm going to colorize this even darker. And then this piece here. And then the background. Okay, this is the background. I'm just going to delete it. And I'm going to set the canvas color, excuse me, to black. Okay, this is my depth map. Okay, so the closer to your camera, the closer to you is white, the further away is black. Now watch what happens. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to call this Creative 3D underscore depth. Okay, and it's got to be a PNG image. So as long as you have the same name with an underscore depth, I'm going to download it, and then all I have to do is come over to Facebook and say, here's a new trick. And I'm going to upload both of them at the same time. So I see Creative 3D and Creative 3D Depth, and upload them. Watch what Facebook does. It creates the 3D image. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? This would be great for ads. Okay, now watch this crazy Game of Thrones trailer for a game. That was a game, you guys, not TV. It was awesome. Okay, the number one thing that kind of blew my mind was seeing what they're doing with Minecraft. If you've ever seen Minecraft, it's a pixelated kind of game that a lot of people play. Check out the number one thing that blew my mind, what it's about to look like. Amazing, isn't it? Well, that's it. Hope you got a kick out of watching these incredible, realistic 3D graphics. I'll see you on the next video.